MD-Confirm is a decentralized platform for mathematically provable media verification designed as a security extension for Google Pixel cameras. It solves the irreversible loss of authenticity proofs when social media algorithms aggressively strip metadata like EXIF and C2PA. We integrated the Google tech stack, the GenAI SDK, and Antigravity handle autonomous agent orchestration. Google Cloud Firestore bridges our AI models and the Web3 environment, temporarily storing perceptual hashes and transaction receipts before anchoring them on the Solana Testnet. Our pipeline consists of 3 agents. Agent 1 embeds a uniformly distributed invisible watermark, DWT-DCT-SVD, and calculates a robust pHash. This watermark acts solely as a crop-resistant cryptographic ID. However, if foreign objects are injected, the fundamental pixel structure and the hash itself change entirely. Simultaneously, Agent 2 batches transactions using Merkle Trees and anchors them into a smart contract. Finally, Agent 3 operates via the Gemini API on the Gemini 3.5 Flash model. It analyzes cryptographic discrepancies between the compressed file's current pHash and the original, outputting a structured, readable verdict on the material's authenticity. What we capture becomes part of the digital world. A girl takes a simple selfie with her Google Pixel, just an ordinary photo, a real moment. But once that photo reaches social media, anyone can download it, manipulate it, and turn it into something completely different. A few clicks, a fake story, and suddenly people believe what they see. This is the problem MD-Confirm was built to solve. At the moment a photo is captured, MD-Confirm creates a verifiable provenance record. The image is cryptographically hashed, its origin is registered, an invisible pixel-level watermark is embedded, and the proof can be anchored to the blockchain, not just an image, a digital chain of custody. Later, when that image appears online, MD-Confirm can verify its provenance. Is it the registered original? Does the cryptographic evidence match? Is the provenance intact? If the answer is no, there is no original badge. The system does not need to guess whether an image is real or fake. It simply tells us whether its origin can be verified. Because trust should not depend on who posted a picture or how convincing it looks, it should depend on evidence. MD-Confirm. Verify the origin, preserve the proof, protect the moment.